In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VR to Roblox PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up most VR headsets that you can use on your PC to play Roblox in virtual reality. For this video, I chose to demonstrate this process with the Meta Quest 2 and the Meta Quest 3, which are very popular models. However, this will also work with any other compatible PC VR headset. So to start, you will have to connect into your PC. Also, make sure to download the specific launcher for your model. So if you are using a Meta Quest headset, download the Oculus or Meta app. In here, you will be able to set it up. Now, the primary way to connect any VR headset to your PC is going to be through a cable. The Meta Quest headsets can be connected using the Oculus Link cable. So by using this cable, you will be able to plug it into any available USB port on your PC, and once you go over to the settings or the devices inside of the Meta or Oculus app, you will be able to see the status and see that it is detected. Once you have your headset detected, you are basically good to go. The last thing that I would recommend is to go over to Quest Link inside of your actual VR headset settings, and as long as this is enabled and you are using the link cable, when you go over to any experiences and you access the settings, you will be able to enable VR inside of Roblox. So make sure that this is set to on and you will be good to go. And you will be able to play any compatible experience in VR. You can also find Roblox as a dedicated application if you are using a Meta Quest headset. So if you don't want to connect it to your PC, maybe because it's not working, it's too much of a hassle, or you are having trouble setting it up, then just go over to the app library and look for Roblox. You will be able to play it in VR directly from your Meta Quest headset, so you don't even have to connect it to your PC in the first place. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect VR to Roblox PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.